Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zapier for auto-posting listings to multiple platforms step by step clearly. First, visit the Zapier website and create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Choose the app you want to connect for auto-posting. For example, select your listing platform like Shopify, Etsy, or any other preferred app. Next, choose the specific trigger event that will initiate the auto-posting. This might be a new item added, a completed sale, or any other relevant event. Click Continue to proceed after selecting the trigger. Now, connect your account for the chosen app by following the prompts. You may need to log in and authorize Zapier to access your account. After successfully connecting, test the trigger to ensure it's set up correctly. If the test is successful, click Continue to move on to the next step. Now, you will select the action app where you want to auto-post your listing. Pick the platform where you wish to share your listing, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Choose the specific action event for this platform. For example, you may want to create a new post or tweet. Again, click Continue to proceed. Next, connect your account for the Action app. Once connected, you will be taken to the Action Setup screen. Here, you will map the data fields from your Trigger app to the Action app. Ensure that the title, description, and image fields are correctly matched. After mapping the fields, click Continue to review your Zap. Test the action by sending a sample to the chosen platform. Make sure everything appears as intended. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate it. Your Zap is now live and will automatically post listings to multiple platforms whenever the trigger event occurs. Monitor your Zap's performance through your dashboard to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you need to make changes, you can edit your Zap at any time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.